Ma'am, explain to us about fertility preservation.
Fertility preservation is the need of the hour. We all know that the incidence of infertility is increasing day by day. It can be divided into male fertility preservation and female fertility preservation. In men, we do semen freezing. This is usually done when, suppose, a man is undergoing certain treatments. Like if you have been diagnosed with some sort of cancer and you have been advised to undergo chemotherapy, radiotherapy, and this could impact your semen parameters. In such cases, we advise to undergo semen freezing and then later on go ahead with the chemo and radiotherapy. At times, when the couple is staying away because of their jobs, we also advise to do a semen freezing where the wife can continue her treatment and the husband's semen can be used for IUI and IVF. Sometimes, because of certain conditions, the sperm parameters are very low. We can pull the semen sample and utilize it for treatment. For such conditions also, we advise semen freezing. In girls, if you are between 26 or 30 years and you feel that you don't want to pressurize yourself for childbearing very soon because you are worried about depletion of your eggs later in your life, in this case it's a good idea to go ahead with oocyte freezing, where we give injections, develop your eggs, extract them, and preserve it for later use. If you are a married woman or you have a partner, in this case, we prefer to do something called as embryo freezing, which is better than oocyte freezing because the eggs are more fragile than the embryos. And this is done in married couples where they want a child but they are not yet prepared for childbearing because of their career or because of also medical conditions which can put them into danger of losing oocytes early. In such cases, we do the IVF, we prepare the embryos and freeze them, and these embryos can be utilized whenever you are ready to go ahead with your childbearing. So, if you have any query related to fertility preservation, do write to us. Thank you.